Welcome to Know How Legacy channel, where we delve into the habits that can boost your intellect every day. In this video, we will explore effective study habits to help you excel academically. Understanding how to study and learn efficiently is crucial for students of all ages. Let's dive into practical tips that can make a significant difference in your academic journey. First, let's discuss study techniques that promote active learning. Engaging with the material actively enhances comprehension and retention. Effective learning strategies involve setting clear goals and creating a conducive study environment. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating small achievements. Developing effective study habits requires consistency and discipline. Establish a study routine that works for you and prioritize tasks based on their importance. To optimize your learning experience, utilize techniques like summarizing key points and teaching the material to someone else. These methods reinforce understanding. Creating a study schedule and sticking to it can boost productivity. Remember to take breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Incorporating visual aids and mnemonic devices can aid memory recall. Find what works best for you to enhance information retention and recall during exams. Effective study habits are not just about the quantity, but also the quality of study time. Focus on understanding concepts rather than rote memorization. As you implement these study techniques and learning strategies, remember that consistency and perseverance are key to long-term academic success. Stay motivated and maintain a positive mindset throughout your learning journey. Believe in your abilities to achieve your academic goals. By adopting effective study habits and learning strategies, you are investing in your future success. Keep striving for excellence in your academic pursuits. Thank you for joining us on this educational exploration of study techniques and learning methods. Empower yourself with these tools to reach your full academic potential. Remember, the journey to academic excellence begins with effective study habits and a commitment to continuous improvement. Start implementing these strategies today. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in your educational pursuits. Your dedication to learning will pave the way for a bright future. As you embark on your learning journey, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch your academic achievements soar. With the right study techniques and learning strategies at your disposal, you have the power to unlock your full academic potential. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Thank you for investing in your education and seeking ways to enhance your study skills. Remember, knowledge is power, and your commitment to learning is truly commendable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more enriching content. See you in the next video.